This is going to be a 5-minute opening of Arcane Maelstrom, or Calamax for short. The reason why it's 5 minutes is because A, we noticed that video times have been more than 40 minutes, so we could have 4 advertisements if we ever get sponsored. But on another note, cameraman has to use the bathroom. Calamax is Stormsire. Best dino man. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Boop. You want to read it, man.
Camera don't like it whenever you do that. It don't focus very well.
What are you trying to say?
Trying to say it don't focus very well.
Oh. Plastic. Throw it all over there. We got Calamax of Stormsire. Best boy. He asked me. He's pretty good. You copy spells and give him +1/+1. He goes infinitely large if you copy a copy spell. EDH, just smack for 1,000,000, but I personally don't like it. Then we have Xerath, the Withering Storm. He's a snake leviathan. Honestly, makes a lot of snakes. Wheels. What's not to like? Then we have Halden and Pako, my favorite partner commanders as of recent history. They send each other, they help each other. Pako, when he attacks on declaration, you exile the top library of everyone's deck. If it's a non-land card, you give him a +1/+1 counter, and with Halden, you're able to cast it with any mana color. So, it's pretty neat. And these cards are not that warped by the looks of it. So, probably going to use these as my new Pako stuff. Then we got a bunch of tokens. Goblin, Warrior, Drake, Beast, Bird, Beast, Bird, Beast, Snake, Beast, Snake, Beast, Snake, Beast, Snake, Sapperlings, Gold. And we're just going to run through this real quick. So I'm going to put all my cards over here. So, Command Tower, Frontier Bivouac, Gruul Turf, Halidar Deep. I would use it in my Yuriko deck. Is it Bulwarks, Married Landscape, Rupture Spire, Simic Growth Chamber, Rugged Highlands, Swiftwood Cliffs, Footwater Hills. We got some forts. Personally, I just need some lands, We got Decoy Gambit. You bounce everyone's card. If they don't want it to be bounced, you draw a card. Honestly, it's pretty situational. If you don't play Commander with 3 other people, it doesn't really do much. Eon Flick, Otter. You give someone an extra turn, but you can't be hit by them in that extra turn. Honestly, kind of goofy. I want to use it. And then same thing with Nesset Metamorph. You look at the top card of someone's library and it morphs into that card. It could be a swing or a miss, or swing in a nice. Deflecting Swat, the card that everyone really has been buying these precons for. I hate that they're doing that, but listen, you gotta sell it somehow, right? Lava Brink Floodgate to the tap land, and if it has 3 or more Doom counters, you sacrifice it and deal 6 damage to everything. Pretty neat. Then we got some new cards like Crushing Herd, Glader Muse for group hug decks, River Egg Glader, Twinning Staff, Jace the Archivist of Thought, Lunar Mystic, Nibblus of Frost, Form Intelligence, clones your spells, instant and sorcery speed. A new art of Talon Sky Summoner, a Chaos Warp, a Charm Breaking Devils, Comet Storm, Commune with Flames, Dual Caster Mage, Etali the Primal Storm, Goblin Dark Dweller, Starstorm, Strength of the Tehu, Artifact Manipulation, Jin Illusionist, another new art of Melik, Is It Paragon? I just want to make sure if my hands aren't moving too much. Prophetic Bolt, Rashmi, Eternity's Crafter, Thwart, the Raid Mother, a Solemn Sacralacrum, put that over here, a Tapland, a Cinderglade, nice, Desolate Lighthouse, Forbidden Orchard, Kessig Wolf Run, Mossfire Valley, Mossware Bridge, Oran Reef Fastwood, Scattering Grove, Yamavaya's Coast, got some lands. Wander's Ornament. I'm going to make it a challenge for me and my friends. If we ever do a commander duel, we should all have this in our deck and see how efficient or dumb this is. You know what I mean? Because in commander you can only have one card, and this really isn't useful if your opponents aren't running the same card, and really who's going to run this card on purpose. So this is going to be a script thing in the future. Arcane Signet, Commander Sphere, Lightning Greaves, Soul Ring, Clash of the Titans, Channeling Force, Primeval Empathy, Psychic Impetus, Shiny Impetus, Predator's Impetus, Kevinter's Insight, Frantic Search, Murmuring Mystic, Whiptail Trap, something, I actually don't know what this card is. Read it for me.
This one, it's a rare memoir. You return an instant card at random from your graveyard to your hand, and it has rebound.
Nice. I didn't even know what it was. Crop rotation. Good card. Good card. Anybody who's learning how to play CDH, this just gives you a land of anything. Not even coming to that. Worm Charm, Harrow, Hunter's Insight, Hunter's Pack, Nature Connection, Slice and Twain, Tranquil of the Wild, Wildest Reclamation, Crackling Drake, Rose Spiral, a Teamer Charm, and a card. So that was the opening. I'm trying to make this as short as possible so I can reap this for its rewards. But personally, in my opinion, the Commander staples, which are the Soul Ring, the Arc Signet, the Sphere, all that stuff is worth it. Everything else not so great. If you guys want to see a deck tech of my Pako and Halden deck, give us like 5 likes and I'll show it to the video.